Hello, it's Adrian from Fine and Country in Great Torrington. Are you looking for somewhere with a village life? Heart of a community, rural community, energy efficiency, home with an annex or business potential, swimming pool, energy efficient, and views just all around? This could be the home for you. You've got plenty of parking and a large agricultural building for somebody who's looking for a workshop, antique cars, classic cars, whatever. So coming down from plenty of parking, the main entrance to the house, and off to the right, the sections to the annex. Come and have a look. Coming in from the outside there, the first thing that really greets you is this wonderful galleried landing running around the top of the reception hall here. Sensible floor for those who love spending time outside. And there's quite a division in this house whereby you've got potential annex to the right, downstairs reception accommodation, great for entertaining, as we've discussed, and then going up through to the first floor. I'll show you the kitchen breakfast room. They say the heart of a home is a kitchen, and this really is. It's a great entertaining area. You've got a Rayburn off to the left of me, so you've got that lovely ambient heat through the winter time when you've been outdoors with the inclement weather that we do get down here. Park yourself against that and you'll soon warm up. It's also great for drying clothes overnight. You've still got a backup of an oven and a hob, and from where I'm stood here, you've got this incredible easterly view over the garden, through the hills beyond. I mean, what's not to like? So you want somewhere lovely to sit in the morning, very early on before you get going. This is the place to be. I'm looking due east. Sun will rise over there. I'm looking in the rolling Devon countryside and Exmoor in the distance. And this is just a great space to be in, even at any time of the day. When it's too hot, you can shelter in here, open up the doors to the garden, and still just enjoy the outside. And if you've had enough of that incredible view, you can come into this lovely sitting room where you've got your feature fireplace, you've got an electric flame effect stove, and here you're facing west, so of an evening the sun just pours in through these windows and you can just sit on the window seat and just take time out, and from there you do look straight through there to that view. So for those of you who love entertaining, just leading off the kitchen breakfast room, we have got this super-sized dining room, currently set out for 8, but with more leaves on the table, you could entertain a lot more. And the flow of the whole house is all about the outside coming in, you look into the outside, and entertainment space, just brilliant. So as I said before, you've got this welcoming reception hall, this galleried landing, and off to the left of me is the main bedroom, which is a great size and incredible views. It must be incredibly hard to get out of bed in the morning with that view. And if you are up and around, come up with a cuppa, sit down here and just watch the sunrise. And there is Exmoor over there. And you've got nothing but Devon rolling countryside and the odd house sat around here. And I'm overlooking the Freehold Priory, which is mentioned in the Domesday Book. So for a second bedroom, this is a cracking size. It's double aspect, you've got the views over to Exmoor in the distance. And if you've got a teenager that wants their own space, with space for beanbags and games, etc., you'll see in a moment there's plenty of space, or for a sleepover, it takes a lot of beating. This is a house that just keeps on giving. So this door can be accessed through to the parking and the swimming pool opposite. You could use it as a relative suite, Airbnb, or as our clients do, who, one of them being a musician, segregates you from the main house. So this music room, great advantage, it's got plenty of cupboards for the liquid refreshments afterwards, but also has a door to the outside to the car parking, the pool and the views. So again, this is another part of what could be an annex, or in fact, as I say, a relative suite, or maybe a business opportunity for somebody like a physiotherapist or whatever, so they can come and go without disturbing the main house, because you've got these 3 rooms connecting and you've got a shower. So this side of the house is all about that view and external entertainment. East, south, you've got a lovely decking, you've got a terrace, you've got a pergola. Ideal spot there for a couple of seats just to look out over to the village of Monkley in the distance and Exmoor beyond. So part of the green energy efficient credentials of this home are you've got PV panels for the generation of electricity and an amazing system. Instead of having an external air source heat pump, the refrigerant goes through that and on a summer's day really is incredibly efficient into its own plant room to run the swimming pool. If you ever get tired of that view, or it's a hot day, time for a dip, come into the swimming pool. Doesn't matter what the weather's doing outside, you have got an indoor pool. Doors opening up onto the terrace, that view, I wouldn't have had enough of that. There's a games room. Every country home needs a space for mowers, hedge cutting equipment, a den. This goes one stage further. You've got an office, and what a great space if you're into classic cars, renovating vehicles, restoration of antique furniture, anything. And you're just across from the main house, so you step outside, and there is Exmoor. You've got your own orchard here, kids play area round the back of the barn. For the eagle-eyed amongst you, there's actually a gate there that does take you to the village hall for any events that are required, or maybe overflow parking if you're having a big function at the house. If you'd like to know more about this wonderful home, that view, the pool, the agricultural building, village community, and you are only about 20 minutes from the surf beaches of North Devon and about 3 minutes from the Tarka Trail. Do give the office a ring on 01805 626 999. We'd love to talk to you about it. We'd love to show you it. It has been a very happy home for our clients for a great number of years, and you can see why.